You've probably heard of the infamous American Express Platinum card. But did you know there are actually 7 other Amex cards out there waiting to be discovered? Yep, you heard me right. 8 total cards, each with their own unique set of features and benefits. Today, I'm going to help you navigate through the options and figure out which American Express card is the best fit for you. And here's a quick sneak peek at my top picks before we get started. The Platinum card is still a heavy hitter when it comes to its status and perks. However, the American Express Gold card is giving it a run for its money. In fact, the Amex Gold card is often referred to as the more down-to-earth version of the Platinum, since it offers similar high-value perks but at a lower price point. Now, if you're looking for an American Express card that's even more budget-friendly, you might want to check out the Blue Cash Everyday card. It's free to get and offers some pretty sweet cashback rewards on your everyday purchases. Before we move on, give this video a thumbs up to stay updated on the best credit cards and money tips. Let's talk about what makes these cards stand out. So the Platinum card is like the VIP ticket to a world of exclusive perks and benefits. With this card, you will enjoy things like access to airport lounges, where you can kick back and relax in style. Before your flight clears some of the longest lines at TSA, using Centurion and Clear lines and save big on car rentals with Avis and Budget. Plus, you can add authorized users onto your card for only $75 per person, and they enjoy the same great benefits. But wait, there's more. You'll also score a bunch of discounts on entertainment and shopping. And let's not forget about those sweet travel credits that can help you save some serious cash on your next vacation. Overall, the Platinum card is definitely a solid choice if you travel a lot and want to feel like a true VIP. Next up, we have the American Express Gold card, which is like the little brother of the Platinum card. It offers many of the same luxurious perks, but at a much more affordable price tag. With this card, you'll get to skip the TSA line with TSA PreCheck, enjoy complimentary access to the entertainment book, snag 25% off your first purchase with Saks, Fifth Avenue, and feast your way through a free welcome offer of your choice. Now for the icing on the cake, the Gold card also gives you a hefty sign-up bonus of up to 60,000 points after you spend $4,000 in purchases on your new card within the first 6 months of card ownership. These points are super versatile and can be redeemed for gift cards, statement credits, or transferred to airline or hotel partners. But wait, there's more. The Gold card also offers a host of dining perks, including a $120 dining credit for Grubhub and Cheesecake Factory for X points at restaurants worldwide, and for X points on food. Delivery services like Uber Eats and DoorDash. Next on our list is the Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express, which is perfect for those who want to earn cash back on their everyday purchases. This card offers 6% cash back on select U.S. supermarket purchases up to $6,000 per year, 6% on select U.S. streaming subscriptions, 3% on transit, 3% at gas stations, 1% on all other purchases. The Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express is a great option for those who want to earn cash back on their everyday purchases. In addition to the cashback rewards, the card also offers a range of travel benefits, such as access to Amex offers, which can save you money on hotels and rental cars, as well as purchase protection and baggage insurance. The annual fee is $95. You can easily offset this fee by taking advantage of the card's welcome offer, or by using the card for everyday purchases. If you're looking for a no annual fee card that still offers competitive rewards, the Blue Cash Everyday card from American Express may be a good option for you. This card offers 3% cash back on grocery stores, online shopping, and gas stations. While the rewards rate is lower than the Blue Cash Preferred card, the Blue Cash Everyday card is a great option for those who do and want to pay an annual fee. The card also offers a range of other benefits, such as extended warranty protection, purchase protection, and cell phone protection. When it comes to versatility, the Business Platinum card from American Express is hard to beat. This card is perfect for business owners who want to earn points on business purchases while enjoying the luxury travel benefits offered by Amex. The card earns 1.5x points on large purchases, 1 point on all other eligible business purchases, 1.5 points on flights booked directly with airlines or on Amstravel, and to points on bookings at hotels or resorts on AmexTravel.com. In addition to the points earning potential, the Business Platinum card from American Express offers a range of valuable perks, such as up to 200 in Dell credits, a 200 airline incidental credit, up to 1,000 in Uber cashback, and 25% off qualifying bookings on fine hotel resorts and the hotel collection. The card also offers extended warranty protection, purchase protection, and other valuable benefits. The annual fee is steep at $695, but it can be easily offset by taking advantage of the card's welcome offer and by using the card for eligible purchases. For small business owners who want a no annual fee card that offers great rewards, the American Express Blue Business Cash Card may be a good option. This card earns 2% cash back on all purchases up to $50,000 spent in purchases on the card annually, 1% thereafter. In addition to the cashback rewards, the Blue Business Cash Card offers a range of other benefits, such as extended warranty protection, purchase protection, and 25% off select shipping and supply purchases from Staples. The card also has no preset spending limits and no foreign transaction fees. It's making it a good option for small businesses that transact internationally. Looking for a flexible card that's perfect for everyday use? Look no further than the Amex Everyday Preferred Credit Card. This card earns 3x points at supermarkets, 2x points at gas stations, and 1 point on all other purchases. But that's not all. The Amex Everyday Preferred also offers a 50% points bonus if you use your card 30 or more times in a billing cycle. So the more you use it, the more you earn. Plus, you'll enjoy additional benefits like extended warranty protection, purchase protection, travel accident insurance, and baggage delay insurance. The annual fee is $95, but it can be easily waived by meeting the minimum spending requirement. And with the welcome offer of 50,000 membership rewards points after you spend $3,000 in purchases on your new card in the first 6 months, you'll be on your way to racking up rewards in no time. So if you're looking for a versatile and rewarding credit card, the Amex Everyday Preferred is definitely worth considering. As you can see, American Express has a wide range of credit cards to choose from. Whether you're a frequent traveler looking for luxury perks, a foodie who wants to earn rewards on dining expenses, or someone who just wants a no annual fee card for everyday purchases, Amex has a card for you. Plus, American Express is known for having one of the best customer service in the industry, so you can rest easy knowing that you're in good hands. In addition to the exceptional customer service, American Express also offers a range of exclusive perks and benefits that can add even more value to your card. For example, Amex cardholders can take advantage of Amex offers. It provides exclusive discounts and promotions from a variety of retailers. Cardholders can also enjoy access to a variety of travel benefits, including Centurion Lounges, Delta Sky Clubs, and Priority Pass Lounges. So if you're looking for a credit card that offers a range of benefits and perks, American Express is definitely a brand to consider. But ultimately, the best American Express card for you will depend on your individual needs and spending habits. Hopefully, this breakdown has made it easier to narrow down your choices and find the perfect match. But remember, it's important to read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions of any credit card before applying. So which Amex card is the best in 2025? Drop your pick in the comments below. I love hearing your takes. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe for more credit card reviews, personal finance tips, and strategies to maximize your money. Thanks for watching, and happy spending.